What's going on, guys? So, as you know, I've recently relocated over to Dubai, and in this video, I'm going to give you an unfurnished apartment tour. Let's head right in.
So what made you choose this apartment?
A mixture of things, really. I think one of the biggest things, though, was the hallway. So it's really weird. In Dubai, a lot of the one-bedroom apartments, as soon as you walk into the front door, you're right in the kitchen. Whereas with this one, you've got a nice little hallway, and then you go into the kitchen. So that's one of the things. I also like the location. It's really, really good, and I'll show you the view in a moment. We're right next to JVC Circle Mall, which is very convenient. And yeah, it's just got great amenities. So yeah, that's really why I chose this apartment. But yeah, let's head in. So to start with, we've got one of the bathrooms. It's quite simple. I'll let my cameraman lead in there. Yeah, just a toilet and sink. Does the job. And then leading out, so this is the main kitchen area. What I really like about this particular apartment is this little island here. This was actually one of my minimum criteria when choosing an apartment, so I wanted to make sure that I had an island. And yeah, it's nice and spacious, nice big kitchen. And then I also really like this cabinet area. So at night, this looks amazing. But yeah, I plan to put, I don't know what I'm planning to put in here, to be honest. In the comments, if you've got any recommendations, let me know. This is my first time living away, so if there are any interior designers, please feel free to give some advice. Yeah, I'd appreciate that. So this is the main kitchen area, you know, your standard washing machine, oven, hob. We've got the fridge. Now let's take a look at what's in the fridge. So we got some Wingstop right there, some eggs, and that's it. Like I said, I just moved here this morning, so, you know, please don't grill me too much, but I need to do a big grocery shop tonight. Now, leading on into, should I go to the kitchen or? Nah, we'll go to the living room. So this is the living room area. As you can see, I've got a big fat ass TV. My cameraman, he's always laughing at me because of the brand. I don't know. I've never heard of this brand before, but it does the job. It's 70 inches? Yeah, 70 inches. It's the VidCon. I love me a VidCon. Yeah, so I plan to get a TV cabinet. And then, yeah, I want to get like a nice long TV cabinet. And then I'll probably put like a little, either a mirror or like a plant here. And then over here, my plan is to have a standing desk. So this will be where I work. And then I'll probably put like a little cabinet here to hide all of this junk. But yeah, that's pretty much this corner. And then over here, so this morning I've been using my the cardboard box of my TV as a sofa. My sofa isn't arriving until Thursday, so unfortunately I've got to survive like this for the time being. But my bed's coming today, in a few hours actually, so yeah, I'll be excited for that to come. Now let's head over to the view from the balcony, and let me show you why this apartment is so nice. So welcome to the balcony, guys. As you can see, we've got Circle Mall right there. So this is JVC. It's a very popular area for British expats. A lot of people that come over from England tend to live in this area. And I have a lot of good friends that live in this area also. So it's a really, really nice view. There's a park there. But this view, during the day, it doesn't do it any justice. But at night, it looks really, really nice. You can see all the bright lights. It's got that nice little skyline view. So yeah, I really like this view. And interestingly, that building right there, that's where I used to live. So I was staying in an Airbnb for about 2 weeks, and then I've just moved into this new apartment now. So yeah, not too bad. Now we'll head over to my bedroom. Let's go. Okay, cool. So this is my bedroom. I don't know whether we're gonna consider this as a walk-in wardrobe. Would you consider it a walk-in wardrobe?
You're walking in it.
I guess it's a walk-in wardrobe. Yeah. So yeah, it's a walk-in wardrobe setup. It's got a lot of space. A lot of space. To be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna use it all. Now these are supposed to turn on. I don't know why it's not turning on.
You have to charge it.
Okay, noted. All right, I'm gonna charge it. We've got space here, and then again, another set of drawers here.
What are you gonna put in all this, bro?
Bro, that's a great question. I own like 5 pairs of shoes, 5 t-shirts, 5 jogging bottoms, so God knows. Yeah, I might need to have a think about that. So that's the walk-in wardrobe. And then heading into the ensuite. This is the ensuite of my master bedroom. So it's a decent size. You know, we've got the overhead shower, handheld shower. Both bathrooms actually have this cool little LED thing. Now I tried to get with this working. Okay, it's working now.
You have to hold it. I think.
It wasn't working this morning, but I'm glad it's working for the video now. So yeah, in fact, let's see what it looks like with the light off. Nice. Yeah, that's vibes. So yeah, nice little ensuite here. And then
The walls on here are beautiful.
yeah, not bad. And then we've got the main master bedroom. You can't complain. Floor to ceiling, beautiful view. What, do you reckon I can touch the ceiling?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? You should have faith in me, boy. I'm gonna try it. Let me take my phone out of my pocket. You wanna put some money on this, bro? Nah. So I've got my bed coming in a few hours. This is gonna be here. If I'm honest, I don't really know what else I'm gonna put in this bedroom. Maybe some cabinets on each side. I was considering getting a TV, but I'm trying to reduce the amount of TV I watch. So potentially, I don't know. We'll see. But ideally, I don't think I'll get a TV. But then I feel like I need to add more in here. I can't just have a bed and some cabinets. So we'll see. When the bed comes, I'll decide how much space is in here, and then I'll take it from there. And then also, we can lead over to the balcony from here as well. So coming through, again, we've got the balcony view here. And then this leads right into the living room area. So we'll go this way. So yeah, that's pretty much the apartment. This particular building comes with a gym, swimming pool, spa, so it has a sauna area. Have you been in a sauna yet?
No. I haven't even been in the pool yet.
You haven't been in the pool yet? But you've been in the gym yet? Yeah, you've been in the gym yet. Good. So yeah, we'll head down and I'll show you guys the amenities of this building. Alright guys, so this is the common room of the building. We've got a nice big snooker table right here. I actually beat my cameraman on it the other day. We've got a big dining room area here. We've got a chessboard here. I've never actually played on it before. And then over on this side, we've got like this nice little seating area, big ass TV. What do they call this? Is it foosball? Yeah, foosball. Again, I've not used this before. And then we've got this little arcade thing here, which, again, I've not used. We've also got a massage chair room in the building. So we'll head over to the massage chair room now and check it out. All right, guys, so this is the massage chair room. We've got 4 nice big massage chairs. I've never used it before, but it's just a nice little add-on to have into the apartment. All right, guys, and just off camera, I just actually realized that the Burj Khalifa is in the distance, so we actually get a Burj Khalifa view. I don't know how well you will be able to see it from the camera right now, but yeah, it's quite cool that I get to see the Burj Khalifa from this room. Now let's head over to the swimming pool area and check out the swimming pool. All right, guys, so we just got to the gym. Now, in Dubai, a lot of the modern buildings come with a gym facility, and this gym is actually very, very spacious for a building gym. And it's actually one of the reasons why I really wanted to go and get this apartment, because of the size of it. So it's got pretty much everything I need. You know, we've got treadmills, we've got decent weights, we've got a cable crossover machine, we've got a bit of a boxing bit over there. It's pretty much got everything I need, and yeah, I'm quite impressed with it. I don't think there's really any need to sign up to a regular gym. This has pretty much got everything I need, so yeah, I'm quite impressed with it. It's got a nice little view, and we're gonna head over to the pool area in a second. But yeah, I'm really happy with this gym space, and there's no complaints, so yeah. All right, guys, so this is the pool area. I'm not gonna stay outside for too long because it's currently 40 degrees here in Dubai. But yeah, it's a nice little area, and again, it's something that I haven't used yet, but I definitely will be using it over the coming weeks. Heading over, there's a little kids play area.
No kids.
Now this is something that I definitely wouldn't be using, but yeah, it's good for like families. There are quite a few families that live in this building actually, so I guess that's good for the kids that live here. And then over here, I think this is a really nice area if you're bringing a group of friends around and you want to host a little barbecue. You can see we've got some barbecue stools over there, and then some nice little seating arrangement. So, you know, this is really, really good facility. It's got great amenities. Okay, guys, so all in all, this apartment cost me 87,000 dirhams for the year, which I think is very, very worth it. From the location perspective, we've got the Circle Mall, so JVC Circle Mall is literally a 10-second walk. So it's very, very convenient. I've got all the shops, cinema, gym. The area's got pretty much everything I need. And of course, the facilities as well make it a great place to live, I think. So yeah, guys, that was an unfurnished apartment tour of my new apartment in Dubai. And stay tuned for my furnished apartment tour, because I'm currently in the process of furnishing this place. So subscribe, and yeah, don't miss out on that video. Peace out.